Hi guys, I'm Haley. I just had my bathroom redone by One Smart Build. They did a really great job. So we used to have a bathtub right here. They installed a whole new shower, did the framing, did the bench, a nook, our new shower head, everything. And then they did all the plumbing, our flooring, installed a new toilet, floating shelves, and a new vanity. So the before pictures were pretty terrible. So we're very happy with it now. And they did all the inspections in between each step, which was really nice and reassuring. Everyone was really professional and nice, and they did great. So it took them about like 4 to 5 weeks-ish. And yeah, I highly recommend. So thank you.